Hello everyone. So today's our content is what is stack and what is a queue. So let's start with the what is a stack in Java. Stack is a data structure that follows the principle of LIFO. LIFO means the last in and first out. And here in LIFO, in stack, it contains only the one pointer. It is a pointing to the top element of the stack. If you want to add the some elements in a stack, that time you can add the elements from the top pointer of the stack, and you can be deleted some elements from the stack also. The stack has a one end, whereas the queue has the two ends. First is a front end and second is a rear end. Let's see. Stack is a container which can be perform the which can perform the actions insertion and deletion. It is done from the one end. That is called as a top pointer, from top pointer of the stack. Then let's discuss about the some points of the related to the stack. Stack is called because it is a real world piles and like piles of books, etc. Then in stack there are the number of elements can be there are the less number of elements can be stored in the stack. In stack there is order sequence. It performs from the order that points are related to the stack. Then in stack we can perform the two operations. First is a push operation, second is a pop operation. We will see the example of stack. If we have five elements in array, so let's see first operation, push operation. When you are going to add some elements in a stack, that is called as the push operation. If first you can check the stack is empty or not, then you can also add the some elements in a stack. But there is a one option is the stack size is fixed. If you are going to add the elements like top is equal to top plus 1, then if your top is equal to number of size, then you will get some message like the overflow condition occurs in a stack. So that is the example of a push operation. So let's see. Second is the pop operation. In pop operation, you can delete the some elements from the stack. That is called as the pop operation. If your stack is empty, there is show the message that is the underflow condition occurs in your stack. If your stack is full, that time you can use the pop operation to remove the some elements like top is equal to top minus 1. It is in the decremented form, that is called as a pop operation in Java. Let's see applications of a stack. The first is a string reversal, second is a undo and redo, third is a memory management. That are the applications of a stack. So let's see what is a queue in Java. Queue is nothing but queue is a data structure that has the two ends. First is a front end and second is a rear end. You can add elements. You can add elements from the rear side, and you can delete your elements from the front side. And the queue is queue it performs the FIFO function. FIFO means is a first in and first out. Let's take an example about the queue. If you are going to Toll Naka, the first vehicle is enter to the booth. The first vehicle it leaves first, and the last vehicle it comes to the booth. Then last vehicle is last use. That is the example of a queue. That is another example of a queue. That is the cinema counter. If you are going to cinema counter, if you are there are the people standing in a queue. The first person is buying a ticket. Buying a ticket. That is the first person will get the first person will get the chance to first come and the first serve basis. That is the example of the FIFO. Let's see. There are the four types of queue. First is a simple queue. Second is a double queue. Third is a priority queue, and fourth is a circular queue. Let's see simple queue. In a simple queue, you can add elements from the rear side, and you can delete the element from the front end side. That is the simple queue. Let's see second is a double queue. In double queue, we can add elements or delete elements from the from both sides. That means you can add elements from the from the rear side as well as the front side, and you can also delete the elements from the front side and as well as the rear side. That is the example of a double queue. That is the that all about the double queue. Then third is a priority queue. In priority queue, there are the four elements in your queue. That is the 40, 30, 20, and 10. These elements are in the descending order. And in priority queue, you can set priority. You can set also priority like ascending order, descending order. You can set anything in priority order. That is the example of the priority queue. Then the last one is the circular queue. Circular queue, the circular queue it is represents like ring topology. The in circular queue, the last element, it is a pointing to the first element. That is called as a circular queue. So in this video, we have discussed about the what is queue and the what is a stack, and we have discussed some examples. We have discussed some real world examples in stack and queue. That all about the stack and queue. Thank you.